Hi, this is What is 7 Steps to Health and the Big Diabetes Lie program. Is it works? 7 Steps to Health and the Big Diabetes Lie is a revolutionary program with simple steps to cure your diabetic issues and shows how to maintain the pH level for achieving your average body. It provides the key to preventing cardiovascular, diabetes, cancer, hormonal imbalances, immune deficiency, kidney problems, headaches, etc. This ebook provides a simple method to test your pH levels and how you can easily store it at a safe level. It has scientifically proven 7-step method to get your health back in just a few days. It revealed the truth about some natural methods to kick your diabetes for good. It shows 100% natural remedies to destroy your type 2 diabetes and also eliminating metabolic syndrome. This is a scientifically proven method for treating your diabetes that will work better, more secure, and permanent result. The primary goal of the 7 Steps to Health and the Big Diabetes Lie is to help you to understand quickly, and it is explaining the diabetes lie for curing you immediately. In case you are not satisfied with the product for any reason, you can get 60 days money back guarantee. It is a scientifically proven program which can work faster, better, cheaper, and safer than prescribed drugs. It is inexpensive, very effective, and affordable for everyone. It is 100% natural, risk-free, without side effects. Without an internet connection, you cannot access this program. We cannot purchase this program in shops or in stores, but it is available online. I highly recommend this book if you have type 2 diabetes. For more detailed review, visit official website link below in the description.